All right. We're going to take a look at some common compile errors when it comes to declaring variables. And one important thing to remember is Golang variables are static. That means that a variable's data type will never change. So looking at our example up here, we have variable b of type int, and we're assigning the value 10 to it. Now if we look down on this line here, we're already got a lot of redundant information, and we're even trying to change the data type to int16. So right off the bat, we know that that shouldn't run. So let's go ahead and run that. There we go. B redeclared in this block. So B was already declared up here. So this is just redundant information. It sees it as a mistake. So let's try this one here. Even with the same data type, it knows that since the data types don't change, you don't need to say it again. Also, we already mentioned it's a variable, so it shouldn't run. There we go, B redeclared in this block. And let's go ahead and try the next one as well. And we've already established the variable. This shouldn't run either. There we go, B redeclared in this block. And of course, the correct way to do this is just to say, hey, here's our variable. We're assigning the value 4 to it. There we go. Start off with value 10. We print that value and we reassign the value 4 to it and then print it again. So let's take a look at our next common compile error, and that one is unused variables. So let me switch directories here. All right. Go does not like unused variables. So if inside a function you have a variable that cannot be used, then it's really serving no purpose and it's just useless. So Go is going to force us to take this stuff out of our code. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. C declared and not used. So as we can see here, B gets declared, we use it down here, and C gets declared, but it doesn't get used. So it's going to go ahead and throw this error. Now, as you can see, we have an exception here. This variable is package scope. So this could be used in any of the functions within our package, so Golang leaves it alone. But if you have a variable inside of a function, that's scoped just to that function, and if it's not used inside that code block, then it can't be used anywhere else. So basically, Go's going to force us to keep our code clean, and this will help it make it easier to read. It's going to get rid of all this unusable code, so it's just going to make our app a little bit smaller, and it's just a best practice in general. All right, I'll see you in the next one.